Hey there, let's walk you through some cool amenities Bakeries has to offer. With summer right around the corner, we could all use a little pool break and enjoy some fun in the sun. It's always great having access to your very own 24-hour fitness center that has all your essential workout machines. 5 a.m. workout? No problem, so come break a sweat. Want to be home away from home? Well, look no more. Whether it's reading a good book in the clubhouse, watching a little TV, or hopping on the computer in the business center, we've got you covered. Here we have your picnic area with 2 barbecue grills, fire pits, and just a great place to enjoy fun resident events. We'll even be hosting movie nights for you guys. Who needs the park when you have a basketball court to shoot some hoops? Can't wait to move in, can you? Go ahead and click the description box below for more information on how to apply online.